Kharbanda, who joins us to discuss the next milestones for women. Let's have a huge round of applause for our next guest. Let's keep that applause rolling, please. We have with us Kriti Kharbanda, who joins us for a quick chat. Uday, over to you.
Mine's working.
You can ask you the question.
Hi Udayji, welcome. How are you feeling today?
I'm in the hot seat.
Yeah. Yes. Can you tell me what women want?
We want women.
Yeah.
But it's a pleasure to have you, and it's wonderful, of course, to have an actor who has really carved a niche for herself, has chosen author-backed roles always through her journey in different languages, on the big screen, now on OTT as well. And Kriti Kharbanda की कहानी आज हम जानेंगे उन्हीं की ज़बानी. So firstly, thank you very much, Kriti Kharbanda, for joining us at NewsX We Women Want and Shakti Awards.
Thank you so much. Namaste everyone. Such a beautiful audience. It's so nice to see. And I'm a little nervous. I don't know. I witnessed a couple of panels and I'm like, oh wow, the women here are so well spoken, and I hope I do justice. And in case koi galti ho jaye, to please maaf kar dena. Thank you.
No, you're a great speaker as well, as much as you are, of course, a great actor.
Thank you.
So we're going to be talking to you, of course, about a host of issues that women also face in the industry and causes that you also stood up for. But let's firstly begin by talking about the NewsX Shakti Award for Excellence that you're being honored with today. It also comes in a category of style and substance, which is also something very special and unique. So your first reaction on winning this award for style and substance?
I feel honored, but I honestly do believe I deserve it. So thank you. I mean, I am my biggest fan.
Yes, that's Kriti. Brutally honest always. Where do you derive your inner Shakti from? You won the Shakti Award today. Where do you derive your inner Shakti from?
I think Shakti can only come from within. We have a lot of people in our lives who are constantly giving us advice. We're seeking advice, but it's about what you accept mentally, physically, emotionally, and then put that into a plan and put that plan into action, I would say. And for me, that Shakti comes purely from within. From all the energy I probably suck out of every room. I try and gather as much information. I love listening to people. And I love making my own choices. But I think the one thing that truly changed my life, it was a quote I read not so long ago. I used to try and fit into every room. I tried that for a very long time. I was a total people pleaser. Always. I am, maybe to a certain degree. But I read this quote which said, why are you trying to fit in when you were born to stand out? And that changed my life.
You know, the session is also titled The Next Milestones for Women. What is the next milestone for Kriti?
I think I've never talked about this before, so I'll say it out loud, but I am trying my hand at production. That's number one on my list. Apart from that, I have a brand that's on the way, a lingerie brand. Should see the light of day really, really soon. That is going to be a patent pending product. So fingers crossed, it's something I've created with my own bare hands. And I hope that people enjoy that part of my journey as well.
You know, you've also always taken these author-backed roles, these strong women characters, be it, recently in Rana Naidu 2 on OTT, before that in films as well with Shaadi Mein Zarur Aana. What drives that choice for you in choosing these scripts and roles?
When I'm sitting and listening to a script, जावेद साहब ने एक बार कहा था कि जब एक राइटर बैठ के लिखता है ना, जब वो इमोशनल सीन लिख रहा है या वो जो भी कहानी लिख रहा है, अगर उनकी आंखों से एक आंसू ना टपके तो वो कभी ट्रांसलेट नहीं होगा. So every time I'm listening to a script, you spoke about Shaadi Mein Zarur Aana, so I'll talk about that. It wasn't a film that was offered to me on a platter. I auditioned for it. I went in, I was given one scene, and I felt something. When I walked out of that room, I knew I had done well. I called my management and I said, you are not going to negotiate on this. I'm not going to lose this film for money. I want to do this movie come what may, because there is something inside me that's telling me that this is going to change my career. And fortunately, every time I followed my heart that way, it just landed.
You know, you also have straddled different languages and different industries within India. Was this a conscious choice? Did it just happen? And what was your experience industry to industry? And also encountering the challenges that each industry has in different parts of the country.
You know, you're conscious about your choices when you know what you're going to encounter. I had zero plans. I have literally, I think, just gone with the flow throughout my entire life. It's been a journey that I've just accepted changes. You can't change the situation you're in, but you can obviously change the outcome. These are choices that you make. And through and through, I think for me it was very clear, independent of languages, if I'm offered something and if it strikes a chord with my heart, I do it. It's as simple as that. So I've never restricted myself. Also, mom used to say that never tell the universe that this is the only thing I want to do. Maybe you're made for greater things, so don't limit yourself. When I was in Bangalore, I never thought I'd move to Hyderabad. When I was in Hyderabad, I never thought I'd move to Chennai. When I was in Chennai, I never thought I'd move back to Bangalore. Eventually landed up in Mumbai. It's been 10 years now, and I wouldn't trade it for the world. And if I were to move somewhere tomorrow for the sake of my work, I'd happily do it.
Okay. You know, today's platform of empowering women, you know, a lot of times in empowerment and true independence comes from financial independence as well. So let me ask you, and since you are going to dabble in production, which you've revealed today, हर बार हम कोशिश करते हैं कुछ exclusive निकल जाए, तो आज निकल गया. But you know, how important is it for women to be, and both in urban and rural settings, to be financially aware and financially strong and independent?
I think it all stems from when you study in school. I think this should be a very, very important subject. Again, I'll give you something exclusive. I'm an undergraduate. I started working when I was 17.
Okay.
So in February this year, I went back to school and I'm studying exactly that. Currently studying geopolitics and how to be financially independent. It's the first time in my life that I'm handling my entire portfolio on my own, because it's something that I realize that I need to do on my own. I've always been an advocate of being self-sufficient as a girl, as a woman. I started earning at 17. I think 15 was that age when I last accepted any amount of money from my parents. If anything, I've taken care of them, I've taken care of my family, and I'm very proud of all of it. Financial independence doesn't come from the thought कि अच्छा मुझे ना financially independent बनना है. वो नहीं होता. In order to become financially independent, you need to understand how the world functions. So first, make yourself aware of that. Understand what you need to listen to, because you know, you hear a piece of news, you may interpret it differently and I may interpret it differently, and that's where the difference lies. You need to first understand, are you feeling confident enough to not just accept that piece of information but to do something about it? As far as financial independence is concerned, more people talk about it when, God forbid, there's a natural calamity, or if there's a death in the family, or you know, suddenly you just lose everything that's in front of you. I think this is something, just like, you know, in our previous session we talked about health overall, your menstrual health, menopause, all of it. I think all of this needs to come from school, because that's when you're most inquisitive about, especially about the human body. You're most inquisitive. Imagine if someone tells you how to make money, how to save money, where to invest money, what to look for when you're making an investment. People talk about mutual funds, SIPs. I'm all for it. But you have to keep rotating. Nothing can be long term. No career decision is ever long term. You're always amending and bending rules along the way. So why don't we do that when we plan our finances?
That's a good piece of advice, and perhaps it should be taught in school as well. Good,
Yes.
thought, word of thought. People are agreeing with you as well. Good word of thought for policy makers.
Thank you.
Also, now women supporting women. Does it happen? Because film industry में हम ये सुनते हैं कि no actresses get along.
यार
Is that a
आप किसके
myth?
घर में जाके बैठे जहाँ पे आपको ये इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल रही है? नहीं, मुझे सच में जानना है. And secondly, I'm sorry, I'm going to say this. I think women, men, independent humans need to support humans. It's as simple as that. I'm not saying that just because you're a man or a woman and if you have an opinion, you're wrong. A wrong opinion or a bad opinion is a bad opinion, independent of gender, firstly. Secondly, I'll tell you what we women want. We just don't want to be told what to do. We're smart enough, we'll make our decisions. आप लोग relax करो, सब get along करते हैं. हमें घर चलाना आता है, हम देश भी चला सकते हैं, हम दुनिया भी चला सकते हैं. ये दुनिया हमारे बिना वैसे भी नहीं चल सकती. अगर आगे बढ़ना है तो हमारी ही कोख से आएगा जो आएगा. Fair? So we're good. We all get along really well. And the reason there's conflict is because women do get women. There will be conflict where there is love. So that's fine.
Okay, that's part and parcel of it.
It's part and parcel of
Lovely.
every gender.
Lovely. Okay, before we wrap up, the last time I interviewed your husband for a film that I'm sure you're very proud of him for, Glory, he spoke about how you were a big support system for him during a phase when he encountered depression. Tell us a bit about that as well. हमने उनकी जुबानी तो सुन ली थी उस दिन, आज आपकी जुबानी भी मैं सुनना चाहता हूँ. And I'm talking, of course, about Pulkit Samrat, for those of you who don't know.
Firstly, I have to say I don't know why he gives me so much credit for his life. I'm truly grateful. He's a wonderful, wonderful husband. When I was going through that phase in my life, which I did, when I was going through that phase in my life, I remember my first session of therapy. And I remember telling her everything that was affecting me, my therapist. And the only thing she told me, she said, Kriti, you haven't come here so I can get you out of this mess. You have come here so I can make you strong enough to not be dependent on other factors and to be able to get yourself out of that mess. And that's only possible when you truly, deeply, madly love yourself, where you care about yourself. I think when Pulkit was going through that phase, there was a lack of self-love. And I think, like I said, मैं तो अपनी favorite हूँ, तो मैंने उसको वही सिखा दिया थोड़ा बहुत कि यार दुनिया इधर की उधर हो जाए. आपका साथ आप खुद नहीं छोड़ोगे. मैं छोड़ दूँ, दुनिया छोड़ दे, माँ बाप छोड़ सकते हैं, सब छोड़ सकते हैं, but आप खुद का साथ नहीं छोड़ सकते. And I think that really helped us become better people because I was very clear that your happiness cannot be dependent on me. If that is the case, this can never work. But depression, again, I would say we need to go back to school, talk about hormonal changes, talk about the inquisitiveness behind your feelings, feeling left out, trying to fit in. Honestly, in our industry, there's so much comparison, and one thing comparison definitely does is it destroys your personality. But that personality is the reason that you're in that place, right, in the first place. So I think it's very hard to walk someone through that, but it was a journey. It's not something that happens overnight. And I love Pulkit for listening to me, for believing that I had good intentions, and look at where we are. We're married now, and we're happily married, touch wood. And yeah, I wish more and more people find that in their partners, because he has done that for me too. And today I know that he's passing that on to many, many, many more people. And both of us as human beings, we're very clear that, we're first generation Bollywood. It's not easy. It's the hardest. It's very hard to enter every room. And when you get an in, it's very hard to sustain. And when you sustain, it's very hard to grow. And when you grow, you just don't know what to do with it. And that journey is something that I think both of us are getting used to. But we're going to get there. And like he says, hamare bacche nepo bacche honge. He keeps laughing and saying, the media is going to call our children nepo kids anyway. You might as well make them successful ones. Let them earn the title.
What a lovely answer, really. And I know you got emotional and goosebumps thinking about that phase, but you answered it so well, and I think a lot of advice for the women and others here in the room as well in dealing with such situations, and I'm glad you spoke about it, and Pulkit is also openly. All right, but we're not going to let you go with a tear in your eye. We're going to let you go with a smile. So we end this session with a rapid fire.
Let's do this.
तैयार हो?
मैं बहुत तैयार हूँ. आप तैयार हो?
बिल्कुल.
पक्की बात.
बिल्कुल.
चलो, bring it on.
चलिए. अगर आपको वैसे पता नहीं हैम्पर है या नहीं, but अगर perfect hamper होता तो what is your favorite thing that you like in a dream hamper?
In my dream hamper, just give me cash. I'm good. I'll shop for myself. No?
Okay. Well, for many, Pulkit is their favorite fukra or fukre. Who is your favorite fukra or fukre?
You know, it's so funny. I used to have a crush on Pulkit when I watched Ambar Sarya Jogana hai uska for the first time, and now I'm married to my crush, so he's my favorite. There's no two ways about it. But I think I would say Richa is my favorite fukra outside of the fukra gang.
Okay. Beaches or mountains?
Mountains.
Okay. Your go-to food when you have a cheat day?
Rajma chawal.
Okay. Let me also quickly ask you about what advice you would give to 18-year-old Kriti.
Don't stress, babe. Life likhi hui hai. Jo hona hai, hona hai. You just have to learn to adapt along the way, and then everything gets simpler.
Okay. We have a prolific author, of course, in our midst, so I have to ask you, if there is an autobiography written on your life, what should it be called?
What should it be called? I'm not Kirti Kharbanda.
Ah, nice.
For anyone who didn't get the context, my name's Kriti, and I have been called Kruthi, Kirti, Kritika. My first certificate in elocution in school, it was called Kruthi Killer Banda. That was worse. So yes, I'm not, oh my God, I got that wrong. I'm Kriti, I'm not Kirti. I think it has to be called I'm not Kirti.
Okay,
Yeah.
lovely. A rumor which you want to bust today?
A rumor which I want to bust today? No. Keep me in the news. Keep rumoring.
Okay, lovely.
There are no rumors around me. Are there any? I don't think there are. I've always had a pretty squeaky clean image, and the ones who...
Is that a good thing?
I have made sure that... Okay, I don't know if I should say it out loud. People don't mess with me. It's okay that they don't. I've built that.
Okay, lovely. You know, you've always owned your choices. Is there any that you would rework or relook at?
No, not at all. There's a reason I'm sitting here, and everything that's happened in my life has led me to this moment. I think the only thing I would probably try to change on a personal level is that I've reached that point in my life where my empathy to people is so valuable that I don't offer it very easily anymore. I wish I would, maybe to a certain degree, but a part of me just doesn't allow it. So maybe I'll work on that, but my empathy is not for everyone.
Well, keep being Kriti Kharbanda because everyone loves you being you. So thank you very much for joining us, and congratulations on your upcoming award as well. Thank you. Let's hear it for Kriti Kharbanda, our awardee and speaker today at We Women Want.